Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 162. Today we cover an old but solid app called Google Tasks. I'm still surprised that we haven't covered Google Tasks already, but searching through our 161 videos, I can't find it. Well, let's get into this. Google Tasks is a task manager built into your Gmail. The real strengths of the app lies in its simplicity and integration into your Google Workspace. It's hard to overstate the value of these two benefits, but I'll endeavor to do so in the next couple of minutes. First, simplicity. You can access Google Tasks in Gmail. Look for the icon in the right-hand panel. It looks like a blue check with a circle. Once you're in, you'll see it's a very simple interface. At the top, you're going to see My Tasks, but there's a pull-down menu. Click that and you'll see that My Tasks is actually a list and that you can add more, like long-term list or a list for a specific project. Keep in mind that these lists are tucked away, so they can easily be forgotten about if you're not using them often. Once you have two or more lists, you can switch back and forth between them or even move them using drag and drop. Nifty. Okay, so back to My Tasks. Click Add to add a task. Easy. Note that it has three parts: a title, description, and due date. The description can be as long as you want, but it's plain text. However, it does recognize hyperlinks. The date and time is straightforward, but it does allow for repeating tasks, like taking out the trash, updating that important data set, or filling out your weekly schedule. If you do set a date, tasks will show items that are overdue and by how much. As we'll see later, this integrates with calendar as well. Click on the three dots by a task and you'll see that you can add subtasks. Indent the task so it becomes a subtask of the one above it, delete it, or even move it to another list. Okay, so that's a super simple task manager, right? Oh, it's also available for mobile and syncs to all devices. That's pretty standard nowadays, though. Pretty cool. Overall, it's stupidly simple and it's fast to use. For some, they may want more features, and we've covered apps like Wunderlist, which do this kind of thing. However, some find that they just don't use all these extra bells and whistles of apps, and they often abandon those apps. Simple is the hallmark of many Google products, and it just works. Okay, let's talk about integration. The second big strength of Google Tasks is its integration into your Google account. Some of you professionals and teachers might use third-party apps, and that's great, but for students especially, single sign-on is huge. There's no need to create a new account, remember another password, and so on. They already have tasks, it's just a matter of using it. So one thing you can do is take any email and add it to tasks. Open up an email and click on the tasks icon at the top. It's going to create a new task in the active list and use the subject of the email as the task name. The best part is that this email is then linked as a chip in the task itself. That means you can now archive that email and get it out of your inbox because you can quickly pull it back up again anytime from the task. That is solid.
Wow.
Tasks integrates with chat, though that just launched and you may not see it just now. In a chat message, click on the three dots and see if adding to tasks is an option. Again, if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it's on the way. For now, you can use this workaround. Choose forward to inbox and then add the forwarded email as a task. Finally, it integrates into calendar in a big way. If you have tasks with a due date, you can find them all in the calendar. It's a calendar called Tasks, and you can turn it on or off. Just like any calendar, you can also color it. Tasks with due dates always show up as all-day events with the task icon. Clicking on a task in calendar lets you complete it or edit it. If you prefer traditional task interface, you can bring that up the same way you did in Gmail by clicking the right-hand panel icon. Calendar integration makes Google Tasks very user-friendly because you can see the tasks with due dates in a natural way rather than in a list. Note that it displays only tasks with due dates, but it pulls from all lists. And you can see other non-dated tasks in the panel interface. Finally, if you have uncompleted tasks that were due in the past 30 days, you have an all-day entry that will tell you how many tasks are pending from that time frame. Clicking on that entry brings up a list of these pending tasks, and you can directly edit or mark them as complete from that list. It's a good way of reminding you that you still have things to do that are overdue. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, hope you found it useful, and if you did, hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday in the comments below. Share the video with your friends. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.